All right, the next day. So here we are back out here, and I got my nylon string. Well, not nylon, but it's some string that I've been using. And all I'm gonna do is feed it down into this chamber. And if you need some help getting it in there, you might want to find something to help you push it down in there. For the most part, it kind of just goes in on its own until it no longer does, like it's doing now. And then I have an old dipstick, and I just help it right on down in there. And then I keep feeding more string down in there until it's about, I have little to no string left, or I feel like there's enough in there. But as I'm gonna tell you, make sure you pack it. If you can see that there, I just take that, make sure she in there. Yep, and I'm gonna keep adding some more string in. All right, finally finished fighting with those two there. Have the next 4 here. We'll go ahead and throw those on. Also, throw this information out there while I'm here. I use a cut up straw, slide the seal in first, then I put the whole piece over, push the seal down, so that way you're not fighting with the seal to get right over top of the top stem. So I am on the next chamber. I already put the valve stem seal in, getting ready to compress the springs and put our good old friend, the keepers, in. Small that is, man. Almost dropped it through my fingers, trying to get it in the middle of my hand.